Hey, my name's Anthony. I'm a natural recovery coach. What's this, you ask? Well, it's apple cider vinegar. Now, this is natural, organic apple cider vinegar. It has what's called the mother in it, and that means that growing thing that, that produces all these wonderful enzymes and it's what makes this a living product and great for digestion and all kinds of health remedies. Back in the day, about 100 or so years ago, apple cider vinegar was the cure for pretty much everything. Um, Still very healthful and used in a lot of things. We buy it in the gallon size. My name's Anthony. I'm a recovery coach. One of the areas that I use apple cider vinegar in is in all my salads. So when I'm making a salad dressing, I like coconut oil myself. Other people like organic olive oil, which is also wonderful. You want to stay away from the seed oils. That does not include avocado oil. Avocado oil is for whatever reason, at least the first pressed, natural pressed, or what's called virgin avocado oil, generally pretty good. But the seed oils, cottonseed oil, um, even sesame oils, uh, corn oil. There's a number of others. You can probably think of some yourself. Those seed oils tend to create a holy or a interrupted gut lining. So it's definitely not good. If you have any belief that you need oil for whatever reason, health or energy, the last place you should go, in my opinion, is to these seed oils. And that includes, uncomfortably, things like canola oil, corn oil, and because of the quickness with which flaxseed oil tends to oxidize, I don't even like using flaxseed oils at all. It just oxidizes too quickly. When I use any flaxseed, what I do is I throw it in my morning drink, but the whole seed itself, I do not grind it first. I just throw the whole seed in my mixer, and that mixes it up in the liquid. Um, I want minimal or zero possibility of oxidation or heating, so it does not has little or zero chance to go rancid. Anyway, I'm talking now about seed oils, but what we really want to focusing on is the natural vinegars. In this case, apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. This is the Omega Nutrition, one of my favorite brands personally. I like it better than Bragg's, although Bragg is the national U.S. and Canadian standard pretty much. It is a really good product. The Omega Nutrition, it has a quite a unique flavor and taste. It goes great in my salads. I can use it for other things that I'm needing to use apple cider in, and that could be anything from cleaning stuff, kind of expensive in this case. I generally use a less expensive vinegar, and I usually use white vinegar for that. But some baking will require apple cider vinegar, and when marinating, a little bit, or some cases a lot, of apple cider vinegar will break down a very tough meat really, really well. When I am reducing or cooking bones, stewing bones, whether that be um, fish bones, which I don't do a lot of, but mostly it'll be chicken and or beef bones. I must put in apple cider vinegar in order to reduce out the collagen and take the collagen off the bone and have it go into solution, which means the broth, without putting some apple cider vinegar in, which I believe is an acid. in solution, it will pull out and take out some of the calcium, but mostly it'll help remove the collagen from those bones and create an incredible broth. I don't need much. It's a couple of tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar in a pot of slow cooking water, usually over a period of many hours, will create a lovely broth, and it'll strip the bones of any of the collagen, the fat, and the meat from the chicken and or the beef bone. That's how I make my beef and chicken broth. And the chicken broth specifically, using the apple cider vinegar, will create an incredibly dense, collagen-rich broth, which actually simply looks like solid gel if you refrigerate it after, and produces an amazing product that I cook, usually lamb or any other, even a vegetable broth. Collagen broths that are assisted in production through the use of apple cider vinegar make a very healthy and restorative soup or broth, great for healing bad guts and or if you're not feeling well and need to restore a damaged body, organs, etc. internally. Chicken and or beef broth are outstanding for that. And the way you get it is you need some apple cider vinegar while you're cooking those bones in there. Okay. My name's Anthony. I'm a holistic and natural recovery coach. You can find more from me in yourrehab.com.